Hi, I'm Dr. Ron Miller of Pursuit Physiotherapy, and today we're going over the top 4 secrets for CrossFitters to prevent injuries. Number 1, please do this. Make sure you are doing a deadlift correctly with proper form. I would probably say that the number 1 CrossFit injury that I see is poor form with a deadlift causing lower back pain. So if you're doing deadlifts, please maintain good form, work with a coach, get good hip hinge mobility, and make sure you deadlift with proper form. Number 2, I would have to say is make sure you have good overhead shoulder mobility. I actually see a lot of athletes with anything from shoulder pain to epicondylitis or elbow pain, and it's all stemming from a lack of shoulder mobility. As a CrossFit athlete, you're doing a lot of overhead lifts, everything from pull-ups, kipping pull-ups to snatches. I mean, everything. You're doing a lot of overhead stuff. And if you really don't have good shoulder overhead mobility, you're predisposing yourself to getting a lot of injuries. So focus on shoulder mobility. That's number 2. Number 3, if you're suffering from a hard time doing a full deep squat, a lot of times the answer isn't in the hips, it's not in the knees. That the problem that you're dealing with is a lack of ankle dorsiflexion. Take a look at your ankles, make sure you have adequate ankle dorsiflexion. And if you solve that and get the mobility there, that you'll notice a big difference in your deep squat. Number 4, this goes out to all the CrossFit athletes. If you went and sought medical advice or for an injury and they told you to just stop doing CrossFit, call me. I'll solve the problem that's causing your pain and I'll get you back to CrossFit. Don't take medical advice and just say stop doing CrossFit. Who wants to do that? But if you happen to experience that, give me a call. We'll design a plan to get you back to CrossFit. So I hope you've learned something from this. These are my 4 key strategies to help prevent an injury or to help get back to CrossFit. Thanks.